Nationwide are doubling their testing capacity right now for monkeypox. We told you this afternoon, Davidson County reported its first case of monkeypox right here in Nashville.
WSMV's Danielle Jackson joins us now in the studio. And Danielle, what's our plan for testing right here in Nashville?
So I can tell you LabCorp started testing monkeypox today. They're partnering with the CDC and they're expected to do up to 10,000 tests per week. That will double the capacity through the CDC's Laboratory Response Network. Monkeypox testing is expanding across the U.S. as the CDC and LabCorp offer thousands of tests to deal with the current outbreak. And the virus is reaching into Davidson County. The first monkeypox case was discovered in a person who went to the Metro Public Health Department after noticing a rash.
The person traveled to areas where there have been cases diagnosed of monkeypox and also falls within that time period when someone would then start to show signs after being exposed.
Developing a rash and flu-like symptoms are common symptoms of monkeypox.
Multiple lesions, but some people may have just one or two. And usually the lesions are on the arms and the face, the legs. But with this outbreak, it's also being seen in the genital area.
The disease is usually spread through close contact and transmitted through respiratory secretion, usually through big droplets. The infected person must isolate, and once the scab falls off and there's new skin underneath, the person is no longer considered infectious, which usually occurs between 2 to 4 weeks.
It would have been exposure to linens or towels used by someone who has the rash, or prolonged face-to-face contact, like kissing someone who's infected and symptomatic, or even close contact with the infected body fluids or the lesions on the skin.
Nationwide testing has ramped up. LabCorp will offer testing at its largest facility in the U.S. They will accept specimens from anywhere in the country. And this week, the Department of Health and Human Services, through the CDC, started shipping out tests to 5 commercial laboratories. As for vaccines, they're already in the works.
We are considering vaccines for those who are identified as contacts to a case. And we've been in talks with Tennessee Department of Health and also the CDC about obtaining vaccines.
Now, local health officials say they don't want the public to panic, but they want people to be aware. As for the person who tested positive for monkeypox in Davidson County, they are isolating and recovering at home. As of late June, there have been 142 reported monkeypox cases in the U.S. Tracy.
All right, Danielle Jackson tonight. Thank you. A major new development